Michelle here with a review on my Meyer's soap. I love it. Ever since I first started using it and I ordered the refill. So I got my backup. And there's other fragrances other than the basil, but I really like this one. And the thing is that like, who knew I'd fall in love with like a soap or like a cleaning product. I mean, I've tried stuff before and things are nice, but nothing is just like, ooh, like it's a very, like, you feel like you're in a hotel in your own house. Like it's got that kind of vibe, that luxe vibe. But that's not the only part. It is also paraben free. It's made with essential oils. It's, glycerin, which is very, it's got that slip. There's no artificial colors, there's no phthalates, there's no parabens, there's nothing. There's nothing in it other than really good stuff, and it smells really good and it works really well. And the cleaning products are awesome too.